Hi everybody, I'm aboard Celebrity Reflection and I'm going to give you a cabin tour of cabin 9149. Welcome to another Journey with Josh. Okay everybody, I'm going to start the tour at the door where I always start my cabin tours. Okay, this cabin does have a peephole, which is nice to be able to see out the door. Your muster station is A6. This right here is at the theater on deck 4. This is a cabin with a connecting room. So if you are a family that wants to be able to have people staying beside you, you can, and you can just open up that door. On the other side here, you do have your mastered light switch. And then beside that, you've got your bathroom with your thermostat. It's an older thermostat because it is an older ship, but you've got your bathroom here. There is a night light in the bathroom at night as well. But this right here is a fairly nice bathroom. Don't see any issues whatsoever. You've got your pod shower with your shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. The shower head comes off, which is nice. And then on the bottom here, you do have the shaving bar for women that want to shave their legs. You've got plenty of storage on the other side here. You've got some drawers here. And then you've got your garbage. Fairly decent amount of sink space, shelf space there. They're going to provide some lotion for you. Decent sized sink. And then on the other side here, you do have plenty of storage space for all of your toiletries. Some glasses in there. And then this right here is also a little bit of extra space there. And then at the top here, you do have a outlet. It says it's for razors, but it will work if you want to charge phone. I had no issues doing that. So yes, this right here is a decent bathroom, decent size. Had no issues whatsoever with that. As you come on around here, you've got a full-length mirror here. And then you've got a large sofa. And on the other side here, you've got your wardrobe. Plenty of space here. Plenty of hangers, especially for the trips that they're doing. You do have the drop-down bars. So if you have more things to hang, you can do the drop-down bars. But yeah, there is plenty of space. We do have robes here provided. And then on the other side here, you do have a small desk. They do provide water. If you don't want to pay for that, don't drink it, because that is not in your beverage package. These right here are the power outlets. You've got a light switch here for the vanity. You've got 2 North American outlets and then 1 European outlet. So plenty of outlets there. You can also get a USB hub if you want to plug that into one of the outlets, and that way it gives you more USB ports. A little bit of shelving space here. Down here you do have your safe. And then below the safe you've got your mini fridge. And remember that all the items that are in that mini fridge, do not drink unless you want to pay for it, because it's not part of your beverage package. And then you've got some decent shelving, fairly deep shelving as well. They do provide a table there, which is nice if you want to eat inside your room. On the side of the bed, you have telephone. This telephone doesn't have USB. So you have no USB ports on the side of the bed. You're going to have to use the outlets on the desk. You do have some reading lights beside your bed. And then up above, you're going to have a little bit of extra storage space if you need it. Storage space is always nice. Then this right here is going to be converted into a king-size bed. Right now it is 2 twins. And then of course you've got your balcony. So let's go check it out. Hi everybody, I just wanted to pop in here and give you a little bit of a review of this cabin. Normally I don't do this because there normally isn't any issues with the cabin, but I wanted to say a little bit about this one. This cabin is right next to the elevators, so you get a little bit of noise from the elevators, and actually we've heard some noise from people above us kind of stomping. Yeah, those are the 2 main things I would say. And third, the internet connection in this room is nearly non-existent, especially in the bathroom. But otherwise the room is nice. The stateroom attendant has been wonderful. I just wanted to do those little caveats so that you are aware of this cabin. Again, it is right next to the elevators, so if you need quick access to the elevators, you've got that. The location is nice. Don't mind it being at the front of the ship. However, whenever you want something to eat, you always have to go to the back of the ship, so it's kind of a hike. So yeah, those are the main things about this cabin that you might need to know. Hope you enjoyed it. Now back to the rest of the room tour. So we're going to pull this down. Easy to open. The nice thing is that you have 2 regular sized chairs as well as a regular table. Ooh, it's warm out here. And this is a decent sized balcony. It is a decent sized balcony. Plenty of space here. And you get all of these wonderful Fort Lauderdale views. All these beautiful views. You can see the ship leaving over there. So there you have it. This right here is cabin 9149. It is a balcony cabin towards the front of the ship. It is next to the elevators, so you have easy access to the elevators. It is also a connecting cabin, so you're connected to the cabin next door. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and as always, thank you for tripping with me. My cabin tours for this cabin 91 something. Here is cabin 9149. It is a front, wonderful for families. Stop it! Thank you for tripping with me. Really?